what can you say about my new background and also about my new lighting setup? Hello and welcome back to a new video. I was inspired by an Instagram post that I've seen in Instagram. I saw this post on Smashbox Cosmetics ME, so which means Middle East. So I will try to recreate this makeup, and as you can see, this is how it looks like. I even have a mole because she has one. So without further ado, let's begin. The Hydration Facial Moisturizer from Ceteque. For my foundation, I'll be using this one from L'Oreal. This is the True Match Liquid Foundation in the shade J1 Gold Ivory. I'll be putting 2 pumps, the back of my hand, or 1 for now. Then I'll be using this sponge from Real Techniques. This is the Miracle Complexion Sponge, and then I'll just wear it with this one. This is the Rose Water Spray. I just kept it on the Ceteque spray bottle since I like the mist of that one. To conceal my blemishes, I'll be using this one. This is the L'Oreal True Match Genius 4-in-1 Primer, Foundation, Concealer, and Powder. So this is in a cream form, and then it dries like a powdery consistency. For powder, I'll be using this one from the RIMMEL Stay Matte Long Lasting Powder in the shade 001 Transparent. Just try to imitate the bushy eyebrows. I'll be putting on this pinkish shade until the 2/3 of my lid. Then I'll just be building up the color. Just mainly focusing from here to here, until here. I'll also be making the outer V a little bit darker to make it look like a gradient effect. And just continue blending to avoid harsh lines. I'm blending inwards so that the color will be diffused. Then I'm just spot cleaning my brush on this MAANGE something. This is like a brush cleaner. I got this from Lazada. If you want to see my Lazada haul, I'll be putting a link on the cards on top, on the upper right. And then using this highlighting shade from the L'Oreal Infallible contour shade in the shade medium. I'll be putting the highlighting color on the inner corner of my eye. So I'll be filling in the 1/3. Then I'll just be building up the color once again. Then going back to the Mauve color, I'll be adding more pink again just to blend the color. Then using a flat brush, I'll be wetting the brush with the rose water mist. Then getting more of that highlighting shade and then packing it on the lid. Using an angle brush, I'll be wetting it with water again. Then I'll be getting some of the contour shade to line, to do or make a pattern of my cat eyes. Then once I'm happy with the shape, I'll be using this one from CARSLAN. This is the liquid eyeliner in the shade 102 in color black. Using the same liquid liner, I'll be lining my waterline. And using the same Mauve shade that I put on my lid, I'll be putting it on my bottom lash line or close to it. Same until the 2/3 of my eye. Then using the highlighting shade again, I'll be putting that close to my tear duct. For my contour shade, I'll be using the same palette. What I don't like about these brushes is that it easily comes off like this. But I can easily fix it with a glue. I'll just be putting super glue and then it's okay again. For beginners, this is a good brush set. It only costs 600 pesos. And then you have 15 pieces already. The hollows of my cheeks. My jawline. I'm just making sure that it's all well blended. Even my temples. Then using this powder brush, I'll just be making sure that it's all well blended so there's no harsh lines. For my blush, I'll be using the same color that I used for my eyeshadow. Using this brush. This brush is from the Naked Collection brush, the imitation one that I got from Lazada as well. That you can also find, or you can also see on the haul that I did. And if you feel that you put on too much blush on, you can just go back with a sponge and blend it. I'll be highlighting the tip of my nose bridge. Also here. Even my cupid's bow. And here on the chin. For more intense highlighting, I usually spritz on rose water. Then I will apply the highlight on the areas where I want to apply it. Using this fan brush, I'll be putting more highlight. So I'll be lining my lips using this one from Milani. This is the Color Statement Lip Liner. True Instant Color, Long Wearing, Easy Glide Formula to line and fill in the shade 09. I'll be putting this liquid lipstick from the Balm Cosmetics in the shade Charismatic on top of the lip liner. Then I'll just lightly overline my upper and lower lip. We have the illusion of a fuller lip. Then I won't be filling the inner lip since I'll be putting the darker lip color there. I'll be using this one from the Wet n Wild Megalast lipstick collection. This is the 907C Mauve Outta here. Spraying one more time this rose water. to seal in the makeup and then remove that powdery look. Then I'll be finishing up my makeup look and then I'll be right back. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell beside it for more videos. And also, if you have any video suggestion, feel free to comment down below, and see you on my next video. Bye! Parang ang puti ng mukha ko. Ang puti ng mukha ko, bes. Parang mali yung ilaw. Tingnan mo, mukha ko multo.